Hello and welcome to my channel. I was asked by one of my subscribers to do a film about changing the blade on my mitre saw, so this is it. It won't be of interest to a lot of people, I'm afraid, but I promise the next film will be much more fun. Anyway, enjoy yourselves. Okay, this is hopefully very quickly how I change the blade on my mitre saw. There's a screw here which you undo, which allows the blade to, or the guard, sorry, to swing up out of the way completely. To hold it there, I shove a wedge in just to make sure it doesn't fall down while I'm playing around. I can't use the mandrel lock because I need two hands to do that. So instead I just stick a clamp on the blade itself so that when I do the righty-loosey for a left-hand thread, that works fairly easily, stops it moving. And there we go. Take the blade out. It's quite handy having that clamp to hold it. I'm going to put the same blade back in again because it's a good blade, this one. So there we go. Onto the shaft. Get the whole assembly up together again. And then lefty tighty this time, of course. Get that around the mandrel. Tighten up. Use the clamp again for the same job. It's pretty secure. Right. Wedge out. Swing the guard back down and get him correct. Tighten him up. Put the spanner away. Plug him back in. Just try him out. Pretty good to me. There we go.